Guys, Ben Maddox here, Johnson RV, out here in RV land. This is the home of the premium pre-owned superstore. For those of you who don't know Johnson RV, what we do primarily is the best pre-owned inventory in the country. So we buy all the best stuff around, we put them through a very rigorous process of inspecting, making sure everything works right, and then put a guarantee so that you feel peace about buying our pre-owned inventory. But today we're actually going to be focused on one of our brand new product lines, which is our Forest River Forester, and we're very proud to be able to offer the Forester products since they are such a great versatile lineup for all sorts of people in different walks of life. Today we're going to be focusing on our 2018 Forest River Forester 3051. This is one of our biggest sellers because it's great for people who plan on retiring and going south and want a Class C to live in, who don't want a big Class A because this is a little easier to drive, easier to park. It's also great for families because you have a lot of place to sit and sleep. So I'm going to talk about kind of the nuts and bolts on the outside, and then we're going to go on the inside. So we're going to do a quick little walk around here. So first thing I want to point out is the beautiful full body paint job. And the reason that's important to you is because when you go spend time outside in the sun, over time, if it's white gel coat, it's gonna fade, it's gonna turn yellow, and the decals will fade and peel. This is gonna look new 10, 20 years from now. So it's going to not depreciate as much. On the front, you can see it's got the clear coat, which is a diamond shield, so to protect from rock chips and overspray. It's built on your E450 Ford chassis. It's got the newest version of their engine, which is a Triton V10. It's 305 horsepower. It's got over almost 400 pounds per foot of torque. It's got a 6-speed automatic transmission. Big swing away mirrors. They put fiberglass molds for easy step in. It's got that non-slip grip on it, so passenger and driver seat. On the outside, there's an option on these for an outside entertainment, so this has that. And the great thing about the awning, it's an integrated awning, power awning, that actually has speakers built into the awning. Also have side view cameras integrated into the side of the coach here. This is the outside of your water here. Excuse me, this is your propane for cooking. There's your propane right there, easy to hook up. More storage down below, plastic line, so it's easy to clean out. We're going to ignore the front door for now, but I want you to see there's no electric steps here. So they pride themselves on using an integrated step system. So if your batteries are dead or low, you don't have to worry about jumping up into your RV. It is solar ready, so you can plug in an external solar panel there. More storage there. Hot water heater. This is a 6-gallon hot water heater. This is the service center for your fridge and freezer. The outside of your furnace that gets hot when it's on, don't touch. You got outside power here, so if you want to plug in any power tools or additional outside entertainment, you can. More storage there. Look at how big and deep that is. The nice thing about this compartment here too is you have your solenoids and some relay switches, and here's your ride right airbag fill. So you have that on both sides. So one of the benefits of your Forester products is they do add the ride right air helper springs. And then another great part about the storage on the outside of your Forest River products is they try to maximize your outside storage compartment. So on a lot of products with full wall slides, you don't get these big pass-through compartments, but you still get that in this type of floor plan. Great place to put in some drinks and some ice there, and you have a drain so you don't have to worry about having to scoop that stuff out. There is a potable water fill right here as well. On the back of the RV, as we move around here, you've got a rear roof ladder, so you can get up there if you want to check just for cleaning, check your seals. It does have a one-piece fiberglass roof like all of your better manufacturers have. LED tail lights, which are nice and bright for safety reasons. New tow receiver as of 2016. This is a 7,500 pound towing capacity. So for those of you who haul trailers with toys, maybe a small horse trailer, definitely going to have the weight capacity there. And then the beautiful thing about the 3051 is you have a full wall slide, which gives you a massive living space, sleeping space, bedroom, all of that. Utilities are going to be on your driver's side, so 30 amp shore power there, TV connection. This is the other side of your pass-through storage. All of your utilities in one simple place right here. So dump station, city water fill, all of that's going to be right there. Auxiliary shower as well. And then you've got more storage scattered all throughout underneath the belly of your slide here as well. So let's go take a look at the inside of this beautiful coach. Hey guys, we are now inside this beautiful 2018 Forest River Forester. Again, my name is Ben Maddox. I'm going to take my transition lenses off here so you guys can see me. I do want to touch on just real quick, these are those integrated steps I was talking about. So the great thing about these is you have less steps to get into your coach. And I know one of the biggest complaints is the older we get, it's harder to get into our RVs. So you've only got 2 steps to get up in. You do have your electronic leveling system here, your main battery disconnect, power connection right there, which is going to shut on and off all of your power. Moving into the living room area, and I'll touch on the cab in a minute, but I want you to see how beautiful this Shaw residential floor is. This is great stuff. It's slip resistant, it's crack resistant, waterproof, not going to get mold and mildew. Nice reclining setup here, which actually you can use as beds if you want to, because they're going to recline all the way back. And you can see they have the faux leather on here, which adds a nice aesthetic touch to it. It's very durable. E450 chassis, so you got your Ford engine, all of your E-Series platform this is going to be the same in pretty much any coach you see. But what you're not going to see is you're not going to see a Pioneer system like that, which has your backup camera, integrated DVD, Bluetooth, navigation, all integrated into that dash there. Okay, and then in your dinette area, so nice thing about the dinette is it's big, it's deep, it's tall, so you have tons of space to be able to get in and out. In fact, you can fit 3 people on each side, and then this converts down into a bed. You've got storage underneath on both sides, sliding drawer glides. And then this is an overview of all of the great things that Forest River does in their product compared to any other ones. And so there's a lot of value built into these because of all the extras that they put in. Nice Amish built residential cabinetry all throughout the coach, tons of storage all throughout the coach. One thing we didn't see, and I want you to just spin around real quick, is the overhead bunk. Okay, so the overhead bunk is big, it's deep, it's tall, there's tons of space up there. You have a ladder to get up in, storage, you have a entertainment center, TV, which actually does swivel out as well, so everybody can enjoy entertainment. Moving into the galley area, so one of the great things about the 3051 is you have an option for a 4-door fridge versus a 2-door fridge. And when I mean 4 doors, I mean you've got 2 freezer, 2 fridge, right? So, Mom, you are not going to be lacking in space here, getting everything that you need for the road. And you have an ice maker built in too. So this really is set up for residential purposes if that's what you guys choose to do for the wintertime, okay? And then over here, you also get the benefit of a slide-out pantry. Look at all that storage, tons of storage. And then the galley area, so you have this solid surface, non-porous countertop. It's scratch resistant. You also have double stainless steel sink, residential faucet here. Check that out, very nice. Stick that back in. Storage up above here. Nice stainless steel microwave, stainless steel oven. You actually have a real oven and 3-burner stovetop as well. Step up into the bedroom, bathroom area. So it is an all-in-one bathroom, but the nice thing is that if you have somebody in here who's occupying the shower or the restroom, is somebody out here can still be using the sink area, the vanity area for getting ready for the day. And you do have a flush mount cover there. Lots of storage space in the medicine cabinet on both sides here. Nice big mirror. Laundry hamper down below. I mean, they've got everything you need in this coach to be super cozy and comfy. And we're not done, guys. Moving into the bedroom area. So you've got tons of storage space there. Look at all the wardrobe space here. His and her wardrobes. Lots of storage space here as well. Entertainment, centrally located. And then I gotta point out before we wrap up here, I want you to come into the bedroom. Take a look here. So this little screen right here, there's another one of these right by the door. What this is a digital multiplex wiring system. On this system, you can control everything in your RV. In fact, it's so advanced that you can actually upload an app on your phone. You can link it to this and you can control everything in your RV from the touch of a button on your phone. You could be walking up from the pool house, sun's out, and you want to put your awning out, walk up, put your awning out as you're walking up to the coach. Very cool things. So there are so many things we could talk about in this RV. In fact, we could probably be here all day talking about it, but I want you guys to come and visit me here at Johnson RV. This is our 2018 Forest River Forester 3051. You got to come check it out. When you do, make sure you ask for Ben.